Hey everyone, welcome back to Metalworks. My name is Ben, and today we are casting or attempting to cast an aluminum ring. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we didn't succeed in our endeavor, but nevertheless, here's the process. I usually use a propane foundry from Vivor, but I did get this a little electric one just for when times got a little tough and I couldn't afford propane, and I really didn't need to heat up a giant propane foundry for a little bit of a pour, such as this one. So we're using this little induction electric foundry, and I'm going to do a review on this as one of you has wanted to hear about it after I use it a few more times. I've got a little experience with it, but I do want to use it a little bit more. As far as melting aluminum, it works great. So I want to get some more pours under my belt with it before we go ahead and actually do a full-on review. Right now I can tell you it's actually broken. You'd never know just because of the little bit of breakage that's there. That hinge actually broke. So, but not a hard fix. Just got to replace the nut and it fixes that up real easy. So as you can see, we poured our ring right there, and this is a couple hours after the fact, after it's cooled, but we actually managed to get out of that pour, which wasn't much. And the big reveal. Right here, we're going to break that up apart, and we're going to see how this turned out. And, well, you saw the thumbnail. Spoiler, it didn't turn out well. So this is just how things go with metal foundries and not doing pours all the time and not being real fluid. I do this kind of as a weekend project. This is not my full-time thing. So what ended up happening here is I did not put enough gas release into the mold, so air more than likely got trapped and prevented that metal from wrapping completely around. So when I re-pour this, and hopefully I'll shoot another video of that with the re-pour, don't see any reason why I wouldn't, I'll actually get it completed aluminum ring, and then I'll bring you through the finishing process. This is red clay this is made out of. Yes, I know mine's extremely dirty. Again, funding, not a lot there. There'll be ways for you to help with funding in the description below if you so help. But thanks for joining us on today's failure to pour a aluminum ring, and we'll catch you on the next one.